Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about servicing and maintaining your AC system. Where will you be when you turn it on and it doesn't work and won't keep you cool? As you know, we're heading into summer here in Southern California, and as we do, temperatures start to soar. You need to get your AC system in your vehicle in and have it checked out properly by a qualified technician. Let's run over a couple of the things that are important. With today, we have several different kinds of freons, so knowing what kind of freon is actually in your vehicle and it's not contaminated is extremely important these days. That's one of the things we check when we're looking at AC system. Checking cabin filters to make sure they're not plugged. As you can see, we got a clean cabin filter here, an extremely plugged one here. If the cabin filter's plugged, it reduces airflow, the AC system won't work properly. We often check vent temperatures also to make sure that the AC system's putting out the proper temperature. And then also inspecting for leaks. AC compressors, high pressure hoses, orifice tubes, etc. can have issues inside an AC system, preventing it from working properly. Get your vehicle in today, have a performance check done on the AC system, make sure that you're ready for the hot summer days. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.